How to use Widgetsmith to make custom widgets on iOS 14. With the iOS 14 update, Apple has created a variety of widgets which are available for you on your iPhone. However, with these standard widgets, you're not really able to customize the color, font, and design of your widgets. In order to do this, you do need to download a third-party app like Widgetsmith. You can find Widgetsmith in the App Store, and it allows you to use a variety of widgets and customize them as you like. So if we were to open our Widgetsmith app, you're presented with this main screen where you can select the different size widgets that you want to create. And you can create as many widgets for each size as you like that you can use throughout your home screen. So we're going to start by creating a small widget, and if we just click small number 1, you have all the info at your fingertips for this widget. If you want to rename the widget, you can do so by clicking the title at the top of your screen. To edit your default widget, just click the icon, and you'll be brought to your editing page. You can then choose what type of widget you'd like to create. So if you wanted to show the time, the date, you can choose a custom option for photos and text, your battery, calendars, reminders. There are weather options, but you do need to upgrade to the paid version of the app. You have health and activities, so if you want to include a step counter, you can add that as well, and more. So once you have the widget selected that you want to create, you can continue editing it by using the different tabs at the bottom of your screen. If you select font, you can choose from a variety of fonts available to you. Tint color allows you to change the color of your text. Background color changes the background color of the widget. And border color adds a border to the widget. Once you have your widget customized, you can go back to the main widget page by clicking the back button in the top left corner. And if everything is to your liking, click Save in the top right corner. So you can now see that our widget is saved in our app. And once you've done that, you can begin using it on your home screen. To do this, hold down anywhere on your home screen, and then click the plus sign in the top left-hand corner of your screen. In your widget options, you'll see Widgetsmith available, and if you select it, you can choose the sized image that you've just created. So because we created a small widget, we'll choose that, and then click Add Widget at the bottom of our screen. The widget we just created with all of our customized colors and fonts has now been added, and you can move it around the screen just by dragging it to the position that you'd like. Again, you can create as many customized widgets as you like using the Widgetsmith app and add them to your home screen for a personalized design. And that's how to use Widgetsmith to make custom widgets on iOS 14. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.